Shape helps you to address water leaks in buildings by identifying leaks in real time. We managed to reduce your water bill by 22%. One of the 3 buildings is leaking every year. So this is what you can do. We help you with your ESG reporting. We can tell you how many liters you saved. We can tell you how many leaks were repaired. We can help you avoid CO2 emission and also take less on water pumped and sanitation. All these figures are valuable insight for your own ESG reporting. You can get also recognition regarding that, on the efforts that you are doing in your own building regarding water consumption. Shape is certified by the Solar Impulse Foundation and it's also B Corp. So far, we saved 1 billion liters of water, and this is the equivalent of 171 tons of CO2 emission avoided.